Grand Hotel, a 6-story building located within commercial center and port area of Tacloban City, Leyte. The total area is 1,089 square meters, which lies at the northwest corner of Justice Romualdez and Trece Martires Streets. It is located 7.8 kilometers northwest by road from Tacloban City Airport, about 1.20 kilometers northeast from Tacloban City Hall, and about 720 meters northeast from Imelda Avenue. It is beside the regional offices of Telecom, along Bonifacio Street, Post Office, and the Postal Bank.
Ipakita kuno mira ang pagsayaw nirahan kuratsa adina pinmarayo mahira sayong nga kuratsa pamurti nira bisan na gudlalana ayudan tiya basta makasayaw.
The ground floor of the Grand Hotel. This is being utilized for commercial purposes and consists of painted plywood, ceiling board with false beam on lobby area, double swing wooden French type door provided with clear glass on lobby.
Pati hawat nagbalud-balud mga tao perti kay ibon hitpagsayaw niyo kan kuratsa mga hiyom.
Marble tiles, floor finish on lobby, and plain cement finish floor on all store areas. Mosaic and glazed tiles on toilet and bathrooms. It has a total floor area of 795 square meters.
Basta makasayaw sayaw kuratsa adina pinmarayo nahira sayaw nga kuratsa pamurtinira bisan na gudlalana ayudan tiya basta makasayaw sayaw kuratsa.
Mezzanine area. It consists of cement finished flooring with surrounding glass panels with 2 comfort rooms and lavatories, all with glazed tiles.
Mga hiyom ni iday inspirasyon ko na pagsayaw ang kuratsa nga asyan bida bisan lagas na sayaw good hira.
Typical second and third floor consists of 25 finished rooms per floor, bathroom in every rooms with glazed tiles. The second floor has newly installed electrical wirings with the corresponding circuit breakers, plywood ceilings, assorted electrical fixtures, light bulbs, outlets for the air cons, and lights.
Hiday pertim kahusay, hiday pertim kahusay. Kalipayan may alagud sa rayawan ang kuratsa nga asyan bida bisan bata na sayaw gudya aadi na hiday.
Fourth floor. Open spaces for future use. Fifth floor. This floor is overlooking the panoramic view of Tacloban City. Just in front is the port area of Tacloban, Gaisano Mall, and other commercial buildings. You could see the San Juanico Bridge built by our own famous First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. This bridge connects the islands of Leyte and Samar and sometimes called the Bridge of Love.
Balud-balud mga tao perti kay ibon hitpagsayaw niyo kan kuratsa mga hiyom ni iday inspirasyon ko.
Martires. Along 13 Martires Street, Barangay of Panalaron, City of Tacloban, Island of Leyte, with 799.58 square meters. It is located approximately 7.8 kilometers northeast from Tacloban City Airport, about 1.40 kilometers northwest from Tacloban City Hall, and is about 750 meters northeast from Imelda Avenue. The entire neighborhood development in the immediate area of the property is as residential. However, there are light commercial structures in the vicinity. San Jose, along Lourdes Street, corner San Francisco and Royal Streets, Barangay San Jose, City of Tacloban, Island of Leyte, with 1,408 square meters. It is located approximately 5.30 kilometers southwest from the city proper of Tacloban, about 2.70 kilometers southwest from Tacloban City Airport, and is about 200 meters north from National Road. Type of neighborhood development within the immediate vicinity are residential properties classified as middle to class type of structures.
Hipili mo naming withag kalautan, nakakuha mga tunangan turingan, ginbaligya han mga kasawangan.
Tigbao. It has a total area of 25,864 square meters and is located 8 kilometers northwest in radial distance from the city proper of Tacloban, about 520 meters southwest by road from National Road, and is about 220 meters southeast by road from the existing provincial road. Mostly vacant lots are still devoted for agricultural purposes. The trees planted are different varieties of fruit-bearing trees, and Gmelina, mahogany, coconuts, and many more.
Nga